It looks like somebody stopped to try and help him. I don't know what they can do though. Oh, I think they're trying to help him get out the door. He can't even open the door to get out. They're shoveling for him. I'm telling you, these people around here, they're just so nice. People stop and help. Wow. Yeah, he couldn't get out the door. Couldn't open the door after he got the truck in there. Yeah. Yeah. These people are shoveling it out for him. Man. I don't know who it is. It's got to be somebody that knows us, but I don't recognize the truck. I shouldn't say it has to be somebody that knows us, because people around here will help anyway, whether they know you or not. Come on, Rich, get out of the truck. Oh, there he is. Okay. He's out, but his lights are on. Why did he leave his lights on? Oh, I think they go off automatically with the truck. Once you open the door, they come on. Wow, that was nice of those people. Jeez. Of course, now he's got to walk all the way up the driveway, which is going to be hard going. But he's out of the truck at least. You're good, Rich. Just leave it. Okay. He was looking at it like he wanted to do something else, but that'd be poor thing. He's got to come up this long driveway. That's how far it really is without having my zoom on.